Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Shit, fuck that. Close that shit. Sounds too loud. Check, check, check. Sorry guys, just fucking looking at the trades here while I'm getting set up here, so fuck me. Shit. Sounds too loud. Check, check, check. Oh, sorry, I gotta pause that shit. It's all over the fucking place. Alright, give me a second here, boys. I think. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be targeting these lows, I think. I think it's gonna come down to these lows. Sorry, we're all fucking over the place, aren't we, right now? Sorry, I'll read just your comments in a second here. Are we streaming properly? Yeah, it looks like this is gonna come down here, just so you guys know. We'll see how she goes down. Fucking all over the place here, boys. I'll read it in a second. So I'm just fucking gathering my bearings after like shit just hitting the fan there for the stream. Looks like the daily closed quite bearishly, so but we could go either bullish or bearish because we did sweep these lows, right? From the previous days, swept those previous lows, and then we were somewhat bullish, so it's a little bit conflicted bias. So it might be wise to actually take off some of this right here. See how it acts on the 1 minute. Actually, it might be wise to let this run even too. Back down. Maybe take off here. Okay. What I'm gonna do, take off half here. Boom, take off half there, and then I'm okay. Taking off half right now. Rest run. Okay. Cool. So we got half off at 1.5. All right. Sound is too low. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So we got half off at 1.5. So this is guaranteed a profitable trade already. Sorry, you guys didn't even really see the entry, did you? We're letting it run. Run to the lows down here, I believe. We're gonna let it run to 4R. 1.17. 714. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Cool. And I just gotta move my stop up a bit. Boom. No, we want this here, don't we? Yeah, we might end up closing this. Boom. This was actually super fast. Holy fuck. Alright, guys. Fucking I'll explain this in a second here. Alright, that was fucking quick coming into stream. Jesus. Hopefully you guys kind of got to see that. Hit the like button and I'll explain it a bit here. It looks like we're about to close the 5 minute quite bullishly here after that sweep of those lows. So we might actually take a long in the reverse direction as well. We just took a slight profit on that guy. Shit, man. I'm gonna actually fucking... I'm gonna pull the stops in. I'm gonna pull the stops in right here. Yeah. Cool. It looks like it's probably gonna stop out here. But we'll see. We'll see it stop. We'll see how it goes. So let's explain this shit. Good morning, by the way. Good morning. Nice way to start it off. Nice profit there right away. So already locked in 1.5 at I took half off. So I mainly scalp, yeah, pretty much intraday scalps. Trades don't last longer than an hour. So basically, okay. So this is fucking peanuts, boys. Okay, so what we're looking at here, I'm looking at the higher time frame. We have a strong weekly bias, like all these higher time frames showing downtrend, right? We're showing obvious downtrend. You can use whatever fucking means you want to determine the trend, right? Obvious downtrend. But what we're seeing on the daily is actually we're seeing kind of a sweep of the previous day here, right? And then a somewhat bullish close. So I'm not completely sold that it's going to continue to the downside, right? So again, look at the 4 hour. 4 hours also kind of breaking the structure, right? So we created a base and we broke the structure to the upside. So there's a good chance that we come back up here. Mind you, again, we rejected off this. So I'm leaning towards the bearish side, but I'm not sold, right? I'm not sold on it. So I would love for this to bust back down and hit us with another 2R, 50% at 4R, which is 2R. Another 2R, that'd be beautiful. But I'm not completely sold. So that's why I was like, okay, we're gonna take some off here, but then I changed my mind. I wanted to close the trade here, but then I changed my mind because I was like, okay, what if this one's the low, right? So we actually closed it at exactly 1.5R here, right as we were hitting that. Close off half. And all we're seeing was into the very open of the market. We saw a quick fake out to the upside and then break to the downside, right? So that's all we needed to know for an entry. So we wanted to hit 1.5. I'm happy with 1.5 because if we get stopped at this way, then I still made money, right? I'm not moving my stop. I pulled it in just slightly. So, but if we do bust past this guy, we're probably gonna hit this one, right? So that's why I put the next profit at 4R, right? I mean, this is looking all right. This is looking all right, isn't it? Ain't it? All right, that was a little bit wonky, buddy. Go hit the like button right there because we literally started this. I know you guys didn't get into the trade. Honestly, my signals probably didn't even get the trade either. Because it was just so fucking fast paced. This is why I need to do the copy trader. I just need to mirror my account, hey. How can someone find a good trading mentor? I don't know. You found him. I'm the good one right here. I do it for free too. Unreal. I teach you on YouTube for free. Wow. Unreal. Unbelievable. Alright, so looking at the 1 hour, you know, I hadn't even looked at too much here. What is this shit? What is this shit? Well, I wasn't trading this morning. Oh, this is like, okay, what I would have gotten. Okay, I get you. Okay, cool. I remember what I was doing. I wasn't trading this morning. Okay, I thought yesterday at the London Open here, it would reject off of that as we were talking about in the Asia session. The Asia session dumped exactly like I said, right? Hit these lows. I thought we were going to sweep these highs, reject off the 4-hour level right here. This is the 4-hour level if you remember. 4-hour level, reject. I thought that was what was going to happen, but we just went straight up. We were wrong there, so we rejected off that area instead. So hopefully we bust down. If not, that's fine. Bum 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 bum. Look at the 1 minute here, guys. So you can see, oh yeah, that's like obviously jumping off that inefficiency, isn't it? Right? That's why. Okay, now that we're looking at it closer, it's making sense here. But it's looking pretty bullish. So we should actually have our stop right at that level right there. Because this is an inefficiency that we could come back and touch. So we should have our stop at 87, I believe. Yeah, okay, good. I got it in the right spot. I got it at 87, I think. Yeah, as long as we don't get some slippage. As long as no, I just moved it slightly. As long as there's no slippage, we should be good. This is actually simply the retest, so we should be fine actually still on the 1 minute here. Because if you look at this, right? This is the liquidity grab, right? On the 1 minute. There's the dump off, there's the retest. So this doesn't worry me too much, but we've already taken our profit at this point here, so if it does come back up, then we already made money, right? We would have made 0.25R. So it's a no risk trade, even if we leave our stop right here, right? So we'll see how she goes. Let's look what you guys saying. We getting free signals from you just from the streams, yeah. Yeah, no problem. I mean, it's fucking clutch, isn't it? Dude, like I literally just fucking got home from snowboarding. I'm covered in sweat still. What are the keys to backtesting? I mean, just go back and trade exactly as if it was live, dude. You can go a little bit faster, right? Because, you know, it's not. You can skip time. But you should use soft Forex, man. That's how I suggest it. All right, so we're rejecting off the area that we should. Like this is literally the zone right here. From here to here that should reject. All right? Because this is the SR flip, this is the inefficiency. So somewhere in here it should reject. So you can put your stop right there. And this was a really strong move. So for the bulls to take over, we would have to break this top, right? And then it might even be wise to take a long if we do break that top. Have I done FTMO? Yeah, I've done FTMO. I didn't pass though. I only got like half the amount they needed. I got like 5% in a month instead of like the 10%. What is inefficiency? Inefficiency is just the origin of this move, right? So we had a spike up and then the drop down, right? Inefficiency is just this level of consolidation, right? The brief consolidation before the move. So there's resting orders there. What do you think longs on GA? Gold continue. GA, we look at GA here. I'm also scalping Bitcoin now, so I wanna maybe see if we can get some Bitcoin scalps in for these trades. So let's take a peeky poo here. I just got on my other monitor here. The EU. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure about the bias for EU, which is unfortunate. So that's why we did a quick one there. We exited real quick on that one. So Bitcoin we know that it's going up, right? The bias is so strong going up, so we want to be catching some lows. So I'd be happy to throw a long right here. Come down. Shooting for this top. Stops. Probably right here. Yeah, stops right there. On that low. I think I'll do a trade like this if we can. Why do I trade such low time frames? Because I'm impatient and I have ADHD. Why do you trade such high time frames? All right, let's look at this. I want to take a. Where's frickin' Bitcoin? I'm gonna be putting a trade on Bitcoin if we can get an entry down here. Let's just throw an alert so I don't have to place a frickin' trade. So we throw out an alert, see if it comes back down to these lows. I just want to gather some liquidity from the longers. I want to get the longers stopped out because basically the logic is anyone who's longed here, right? Their stop is right here, so I want to use their liquidity to enter my trade. So if we can get a scalp on Bitcoin, that'd be great as well. We already got the euro trade in profit, right? We already made money on euro. Looks like it might dump down. Let's look at GA. Somebody asked for GA. By the way, guys, I won't be streaming tomorrow. I'll be away camping. Do you stack orders to increase win rate? No. No. I don't like that. I will with like Bitcoin. Because the bias is so easy. It's so easy to trade Bitcoin. But I don't like being doubly wrong. So I don't do that. Pips don't matter, lots do. Lots and pips don't matter. R matters. The only thing that matters is your R returned per week. Boom, 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 boom. Let's look at GA and then we'll look at gold, sure. So you're asking me, I think, you think this was going to continue next week. So this week's super bullish, right? I'm going to just assume that we're closing also bullish, right? Unless it fucking wicks this shit down. I mean, you got another 2 days, right? So if this shit wicks back down on the weekly, then next week's going to be fucking bearish as shit. It's just got the potential right now to really drop it down. Drop it. Dribbity drop. Just don't stop. Alright, yeah. Yeah, you're just gathering liquidity right now. I wouldn't breakout trade this. Oh, yeah. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Did exactly what I told you, didn't it? Right in that purple box. That box. Alright, let's go. Now don't hype me up and fuck me over. Don't give me blue balls. You know. Don't give me what should we call blue balls for trading? You guys are clever. Blue balls for trading. Whoever gives me a good answer for blue balls for trading. Okay, so it would be like hypes you up and then just goes right back into your stop. Give me a word. You get mod. You get mod of this. You get stream mod if you can give me a good one. This is how you get fucking mod. You make me laugh, right? This is how you do it, boys. Yeah, get it. Don't give me what are we calling it? Blue balls for trading. Blue wicks? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Don't give me blue wicks. Actually, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Yeah, you're getting mod. You got mod, bro. Don't give me blue wicks. I love it, dude. Alright, fuck. Blue retracement. Nah, blue. Yeah, it's blue wicks, man. I think it's gotta be blue wicks. That's good. First answer wins. So close. See, look at this shit. Oh, the 5-minute close back bullish, didn't it? Oh fuck! But look at this. Look at this. We got equal bottoms, don't we? We got some beauty equal bottoms, and then one little bit lower too, right? And then one a little bit lower. So look at all these. Look at all this liquidity. Right here. Right here. It's so easy to hunt these boys, hey? So we might come back and touch this inefficiency again. That's supply, right? Pip bloat. Yeah, blue X for the dub. That's some good shit. Fucking like the video for blue X. That's hilarious. Shit, dude. All right, so we want to look at gold or what? I'm gonna leave this. It looks like it's so unfortunate because like we didn't quite grab this. So we shouldn't move our stop yet. We didn't quite grab that inefficiency. It could do this shit, you know? So we're not out of the clear yet. So there's no reason to put the stop here yet. It does look fine still. It does look pretty good for the beers. I'm just really like I don't want to be too eager and then fuck over my opportunity to win all this money, right? Because look, I could move my stop now and like save myself half an R in risk, right? You know, save myself the opportunity of not losing, right? If that makes sense to you guys, like saving the risk, if that makes sense. But then I'm literally risking 3R, right? To save half an R. All right, so it's ridiculous to move your stop. I'm not going to move my stop until we get down here, or we touch this. All right. Oh, can you do a tutorial on how you work TradingView like a pro or what? I'm sure you can learn it, dude. Just do it for a couple years. You just get fucking use these boys, move around, use shift, right? Shift and shit. I don't know. You gotta get some practice with the freaking squiggies, right? Squigs. Right. Close your shit. This looks bullish. You think so, bud? I think there's so much liquidity to the low side. The only thing that looks bullish right here is this close. Right? This close right here. This wick above that. Right. Let's since you're doubting, let's look at some other time frames just so we can take a peeky poo. Yeah, we got all these fucking lows. When's the 15's gonna close? In 2 minutes, hey? It did a sweep there. I mean, yeah, there's some merit, dude. There's some merit to the bulls. For sure. Swept here on the hourly. Now we're just kind of wicking. There's some merit. Definitely. Higher time frame is more 50-50, isn't it? Lower time frame more bearish, right? So it's still love live trading. Lingo 1.8, thanks. Peeky poo. Yeah. Yeah, the lingo is fucking on point. We got some jacked up lingo in here, right? Yeah, lower time, like 1 minute time frame, bearish, right? You can't argue with the 1 minute being bearish, but that changes super quickly. 5 minute, no man. 5 minute I also say is bearish. Higher time frame is 50-50. That's my opinion. Yeah, send the chart. Mohammed, yeah, send the chart. I'm curious. I mean, there's really not much point for me to close this right here, right? There's really not much point, because worst case scenario, I lose what? 1.5 R? Best case scenario, I gain 3 R. And if I think it's 50-50, then I'm going to leave it open, right? I see this as 50-50 or slightly above 50-50 still. And I have a better chance of winning more, right? So I just trade based off of math, dude. Any recommended strategies? Yeah, dude, just fucking trade like a king. Bottom new level. I don't know what you guys are talking about. The fact that you guys are thinking that it's oh guys, we getting above 100 viewers again. Dang. Yeah, baby. Hit the like button. If I provide any value, it must be because I must be streaming better or something. Or it's the lingo, the peeky poos. Right, let's take a peek at Bitcoin again. Yeah, because I want this to come down, but I think that might have been the low. You can see the obvious order block here, right? After we're in that uptrend, this was a previous order block that we hunted, right? We hunted that order block, right? Rallying back up. This is the retest of that order block, and then here's the rally. This is unlikely to come back down, but if it does, I'm going to gather that liquidity. This is a really strong bullish pattern. All right, Mohammed, let's take a chart. Yeah, I'm curious, man. Always open to the idea. Yeah, all right. So euro is going up here. Okay, I don't trade MACD or anything, so it's meaningless to me. But it is going up now. You guys can see. It is going up again, and it's testing this area once again. The other thing is right here. That's why I didn't want to close it out yet. Let's see if you're right, man. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so yeah, you're hunting that liquidity of those lows. This is the retest. Fair enough. Fair enough, man. We might manually close it depending on how it reacts in this area, right? Honestly, it would be silly to close it at this point. 15-minute, yeah, we had the wick lows, Oh, let me check out the 4-hour here. Saying wick low on the 4-hour, eh? Did it wick it on the 4? We got another 25 minutes on the 4. We did wick those lows, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, you might be right, man. Yeah, higher time frame, a bit more bullish. 4 hours definitely bullish at this point. Because we're breaking the structure and we are wicking these lows. I didn't see that wick right there. That's a good point right there. That one's really powerful. All right. We're not going to close it quite yet. I'm just going to watch to see how it reacts because this is something that I thought it could reject off of. This can be a big wick rejection. Yeah. Hold on 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, so we're just going to see how it reacts off this level. Because we should reject somewhere between here and here again. Right? Exact same blocks, basically, actually. The only thing is there's so much liquidity being formed here, right? So 4 hours bullish. There's so much liquidity. It's I like hunting liquidity, right? So there's so much shit right here. So if it wasn't for these equal lows right here, I would have closed, right? If we had gone below, I would have closed for sure. But it's just calculated guesses, right? Let's see how they run. Let's get rid of this purple so I can see a bit easier. Draw the fucking tops here. So this looks good, right? We made that equal high there. So if we bounce around for 2-3 minutes and then dive back down, this is gonna wick. Huh? Exactly like it's doing right now. Right? See what I see? See what I see? Possibility. Do I use ICT concepts? I use like similar terminology, but I don't really know exactly how he trades. I've seen some of it, but I don't know too much. All right, so this is we want to reject right here, right? And we got 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes to reject. Let's see. It's really 50-50, honestly. Like, cause I don't know well enough. Because going into the bias, I wasn't sure either. Look at this, okay. Daily is pushing up. Daily we had a wick on the bottom, and 4 hour we have a wick on the bottom too here, right? But the trend is downside on the major time frames. So it's really a torn bias, right? This is why we took profits quickly. If it wasn't a torn bias, then we wouldn't be taking profits quickly. We would have let it run. Okay, there we go. And stopped out. There we go. Yeah. Good shit, Mohammed. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we made a little bit. So we closed here. Yeah, is it fucking... Oh shit, let me look at something here. Where's the fucking Monday open? Oh yeah, dude, we're coming back here, aren't we? Yeah, we're going for longs, actually. I think so. Something I completely missed is we've never come back and retested Mondays. Mondays open. We never came back and retested Mondays open. And then we're looking at the biases here. We're seeing reversals on the daily, right? And now the 4-hour too. Our bias should actually be long now, right? I think. Because we're going to want to target the Monday open up here. If we can get a trade and let it run. Okay, cool. We're wicking those tops again, though. This is gonna fuck it. Fucking range. Here's the other thing is, you see these double tops right here? Let's just hunted that. It could range, but... Oh, that's annoying. Good shit, Mohammed, yeah. That was a good call. That 4-hour wick on the bottom. Yeah, if we can close decisively above this area right here, right? Because we just got a bunch of highs and a bunch of lows here, so this could easily just range back and forth forever. So we're gonna actually want to see a breakout here, right? Gather a retest. We've already swept all these lows here, right? We've swept these lows here too with this one. So if we do see the range break, we're going to want to get in on a retest, and we're going to be able to target the Monday high. And you're going to get a really fucking nutty trade if you can do it properly. Yeah, good shit. That was a decent trade there, guys. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. All right. I think I might call it kind of early here. We got a trade in, and we made a little bit of chat in there. I got to do some packing, and then take a nap, because I'm gonna be back on London, and I'm gonna be back on New York, and London close. So I think. Mohammed, I'm going to wait on the banks to step in. They're going to hop into EU Wednesday with longs. Yeah, I think Something I had forgotten is since we didn't actually come back and retest this Monday open, it's most probable that on London or New York we're gonna hit it. So this is gonna come up. So we should be looking for a bias considering we have seen the trend change on the 4-hour, and the daily had a nice little wick there. So that's actually something that I completely forgot about for this week. Because usually we come back on like Tuesday. But we still haven't touched it yet. So probably going to be coming back. So we'll look for a long later. Okay. See you London Open. I won't be streaming the London Open. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If I provide any value for you guys, just go ahead and hit the like button. I'm gonna be wrapping up here. I gotta pack up some shit. I'm gonna keep an eye on the markets here. I will be looking for a long now. Mohammed pointed something out, so thanks for that, dude. That actually kind of makes me more biased to the upside, but not completely sold yet. Not completely sold until we break out. Thanks for watching, boys. I'll catch you next week. Yeah, I'm not entering long quite yet. It's not clean enough for me. Considering the sweep of the tops, this could bust down, and you're risking too much to get into a long right now. But yeah, good shit. That was a strong bias for the long side there, Mohammed. I hope you join in next week's streams there. I'd love to see what you have to offer the stream and whatnot if you want to continue chatting, because yeah, those wicks were quite powerful, and I missed them. All right, boys. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe if you're new here.